It's the most amazing show for anybody who's interested in sewing of any sort, whether it be fashion sewing, dressmaking, textile art.
Well, this exhibition has been really great fun. It's the first time I've been, and the excitement, the buzz, the atmosphere here has been terrific.
We've got loads of fabric stands here, machine stands, embellishing stands. There's just loads of stands for people to get inspiration to go home and do their sewing and craft work.
People come here for all sorts of reasons. They come to find inspiration, to see how to use new products, to see what's on sale, to find temptation on the trade stands, so there's plenty of things to buy.
First time I've ever come to this, and I've been so inspired. Really good.
There's so many different techniques and crafts and things going on all the time, and there's so much stuff you can buy. It's great. It's like, yeah, it's all together. It's like heaven.